is bleeding resources in maintaining and managing what I call babysitting a problem property. And we're tired of it.
Strong words from the council representing you, the taxpayer, and the city of Memphis. Today, an environmental judge learned where things stand regarding the troubled Serenity Towers. Recently, the nearly 200 elderly and disabled tenants had to go without hot water and air conditioning for days.
And there are claims of an ongoing pest infestation. A lawyer for the company overseeing Serenity says there's still problem solving there. But city attorneys are telling WREG's Jarita Patterson the current conditions are absolutely horrible and completely unacceptable.
But this court is going to make sure.
Things started with the environmental judge refusing to let those with Millennia Housing, the company that runs Serenity, dodge their responsibility.
I think we're just about at that point that you need a permanent solution.
Things ended with the representative for Millennia dodging our cameras. To understand how we got here, we have to take you back inside environmental court. You see, a power surge at the beginning of the month left elevators out of order, no hot water and no air conditioning for days, nearly a week in some cases, inside a complex that houses elderly and disabled tenants. Most of the issues are now up to code, but an even greater issue surrounds the ongoing problem with bed bugs.
Every 2 weeks for one floor each. But the remainder of the building will be treated next Tuesday.
There's yet another issue Special Master Marcus D. Ward explains.
Remember that that Millennia went through 3 pest control companies, and the original one was continuing to treat even though they were not being paid.
Speaking of no payment,
Millennia has failed to pay a dime, not one dime in fines in any of this litigation. They currently owe this court $36,012.75.
Carlissa Shaw, who represents the city, says the 169 tenants living here deserve better.
Millennia is a problem in our community. As a corporation, they prey on the most vulnerable people.
You see, the city is set to conduct another sweep in which city code enforcement must go into every unit. There have already been 3 sweeps in which you, the taxpayer, are picking up the tab. But Attorney Shaw says it is about more than finances. There are safety concerns for the workers.
The last time that they conducted a sweep, when they got home, they still had bugs coming from their bodies.
An idea on how to fix this problem?
My best solution would be for the judge to order the owners of Millennia to come stay at night in their own properties.
We are fighting, and we are fighting not just for a Band-Aid of a solution, but a permanent solution that works for all the residents.
We were unable to get a possible solution from those with Millennia, despite the attempt. Undoubtedly, the representative for Millennia, as well as those with the city, not able to really see eye to eye on how to complete the necessary work. But the judge at the end saying 4 final words: I want this done. It's something both sides can agree upon. Reporting for your news leader in downtown Memphis, Jarita Patterson, WREG News Channel 3.